Hi guys, and welcome to this video. So normally when I'm coding, when I want to create all the authentication pages, I like them to be like this. So I like it to be like this: auth/login, auth/signup, auth/forget password, forgot-password. Basically, you get the drift. I want it to be in this format. So this is another type of links. This is another type of page that we'll be creating. This is what we call nested links, and this is how we create nested links using Next.js. Let's get to it. So this is really simple, right? We come to this app folder. We create a folder called auth. Then I can just carry this folder into this, but I want to do it step by step so we can follow along. Nobody gets confused. I create another folder inside the auth folder called login. Right? Again, let's try to do auth/login. Let's see what happens. What's it going to give us? 404, this page not found. So now we go into this login right here, this login folder, and we create a page.csx, and then we create a component inside. What happens? Okay, it's going to load, and right here, this is what we have. We have our link. This link is auth/login. Let's extend this so that we see our link fully. auth/login. So that's it, guys. That is basically it. That's how you can create a nested link using Next.js. Really simple, right? Subscribe to my channel if you enjoy content like this, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.